wanted me to do it by hand or by power.
No, you said I'm gonna do it by power. So.
Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to Shadow Builds. If you can see right now, I'm just giving it a light sand as the supervisor requested. So I'm about to put in this work, we're about to get this shit done real quick.
You can go a little bit harder than that. Yeah.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Alright guys, as you can see, the supervisor was called in, ring ring. He told us news to go a little bit harder, make sure that we're getting a little bit more into in depth with it. So that's exactly what I did, man. I just took orders. You feel me? I just took orders.
Alright, so I was over there in the back working on something else. I did come and tell her, go ahead and you can go a little bit deeper. I didn't notice how much of a difference it was going to be without that foam pad. So I left it up to her because she wanted to be in charge of the sanding. Ultimately, that was bad on my end.
Yo le iba a decir que el supervisor nomás pasaba, pero no le echaba ojo, güey. Like all the supervisors in the world.
Let's get ready. You see, I came in and I told you to stop. I tried to save the project, bro. You just kept going.
Alright guys, as you can see, I'm already getting in trouble and shit. Not my fault. He said to go harder. I'm not stopping, because now I'm addicted, man. I can't stop. These hands are mad to sand, you feel me?
That's it. Gotta make sure you're doing it right or else you're just gonna need to stop. Need to stop. That could feel a lot of imperfections, so we're just maybe creating more tips again. Like we probably with the power sander, since I'm not here to directly watch you, it probably eats the primer really, really easy, but not this one. So then you're maybe creating waves. Huh?
But I asked you if you wanted me to do it by hand or by power. You said,
We'll do it by power.
no, I said I will do the power and then I'll hit it with the block where the creases are. Well, what are you gonna do to fix this?
Just keep sending by block.
You keep going to it so you can have it the way you want it.
Yeah.
I can only paint what you want.
Yeah.
I kept asking you to go check it, so I got just going. Alright guys, as you can see, this shit was a total fail, but ain't nothing to it but to get back to it. On the next video, we're gonna lay down some more primers, so stay tuned. Sincerely, Shadow Build.